It is not that chilly anymore in the Netherlands. But still it is windy, and from time to time the wind is that strong that people even give the wind a name. Isa just visited a couple of days ago. So, let's continue my journey on the end of December towards Seaport Blankenberge in Belgium. How about that? And we are still not there. So much footage to share. And last episode we left the Terneuzen Marina and we enjoyed the Westerschelde together with the wetlands over there. Now we will pick up that journey towards Zeebrugge Marina. And not everything goes as planned. Yep, more entertainment aboard Lady Lieselot. Wanna join? Come on then, let's go. There's the ferry from Vlissingen over there towards Breskens. I have to give way. 21 for the VTS over here. Princess Maxima, Lady Lieselot. No response, so I will turn my bow towards him so that he sees my intentions. I have no idea why they did not respond. I am on channel 21, which is mandatory for this area. Is it so hard to respond? Well, probably. But it is also possible that I do something wrong. What? What are you telling me? Is it possible that you do something wrong? Yes, from time to time that happens. Well, if you have seen my other video when I'm entering Terneuzen, I am doing something wrong for sure. Because at the entrance you must be on channel 3, VHF 3. And then, let's say 500 meters behind the entrance there is the lock, VHF 18. And I was on the entrance of that area on 18 already communicating with the lock. Ooh, very wrong, sir, very wrong. Yep. The operator became angry. So, there are moments that even I make mistakes. So probably in making a call towards him to tell him what I want to do, he did not respond. Anyway, speed over ground, 14.5 kilometers, still on approximately 1700 RPM. Nice. And we will stick close to shore so that we benefit the protection. It is 30 minutes past 12 and in front of us we have Zeebrugge. I think we need another half an hour before we are at the entrance. Our speed over ground is still 14 kilometers per hour and I have switched engine and the starboard engine is running 1720 RPM. And the wind is approximately between 21 and 31 knots. We have the benefit of the protection of the shore. So I'm very happy that I have chosen this route, approximately 800 meters to a kilometer from the shore. And well, we have some waves, of course, but it is very, very comfortable. Coffee time! Well, no coffee for me at the moment. I do have my mergpijp cookie, but it will be just lemonade, water with lemonade taste. Because actually I had thought that the weather would be worse. I took my new anti-seasickness pill and it worked. Wow! Fantastic! I had no problems, not even a funny feeling in my stomach whatsoever. So, what do they say? Never use a drink coffee or tea when seasickness is around the corner. So I will stick to my water. Cheers. Verkeerscentrale Zeebrugge, Lady Lieselot.
Lady Lieselot, Traffic Center Zeebrugge, over.
Traffic Center Lady Lieselot, een hele goede middag. Op 2 kilometer vanuit de oost, op 2 kilometer voor de entrance. En ik wilde graag naar binnen richting de jachthaven.
Hier komt er voorlopig niks en naar buiten haven. Over.
Oké, heel fijn. Ik blijf standby op dit kanaal.
Kanaal 17, over.
Kanaal 17. Ik ga naar 17.
Ja, dit is 71, over.
71, dank u. Ja. There's poor visibility. I have no idea how far I can look. The radar is on. And it seems as if it is, well, it could be rain. But it could also be fog. I have no idea. Well, visibility is poor, but luckily we can go into Zeebrugge.
Goedemiddag.
Ja, een hele goede namiddag, Port Control. Lady Lieselot uit het oosten, op ongeveer 700 meter vanaf de ingang. En ik wil graag naar binnen richting de jachthavens.
Lady Lieselot, ja, is goed. Invaren toegestaan. Moet u stuurboord met je aanhouden?
Ja, invaren toegestaan. Goed stuurboord houden, dank je. Any targets coming towards me? No, otherwise Port Control would have told me so. What is happening? Well, the answer, my friend, is blowing in the wind. The answer is blowing in the wind. Yeah, you can say that again. The answer, my God, it was a saying. Okay. As with many marinas and harbors in this tour, I have not been here before, and it looks as if I am in a dead end way. Dead end? What is the word? Dead way. But my chart plotter says that all of a sudden I can go to the left. You know what I will do? I have no idea how it looks like over there. So it really looks very funny. Also because of the rain. Let me zoom in even more. Somewhere there should be an entrance. But the only thing I see is a green wall. Well, as far as I can see, there is no entrance at all over here. Oh, over there. Bah. I will show you. I am too much in the corner. Well, that's a huge entrance. Oh, silly. But okay. Have a look. Silly. They welcome visitors. Channel 12 or channel 73. Let me think. What would be the best? Well, the wind will be south, approximately south. So this area would be very nice, because then I am in the protection all the time. Over here we have a visitor's pontoon on port side, and also over here. But let me go to the port even more. To find the best spot. Don't you agree? Still, we have a lot of wind, so it would be nice if we have protection of the high shore and the buildings. And that is possible if I go over there. 23. We will pick this mooring. It says visitors. Yeah. Well, I'm a visitor. Normally I would turn the boat, but I let me think. Perhaps that is even better. What to do? Then I bring the But I can also moor over there, I think. Okay, let's do that. West Hinder Marina. The wind will push me towards the Yeti. That is not the best position to leave the harbor, of course. But okay. And here, over here you see the telephone number. Okay, let's call the harbor master. 32, Belgium. 50. Whilst editing, oh, by the way, this is the end of the film. Whilst editing, I think that I see all my footage over 30 times, because other than the other YouTubers, they have one camera and they just add everything together. I also add the graphics, the yellow square with information, and of course also the translation of the VHF communication. And sometimes I point out things
and it all costs a lot of time. And then even we have not talked about music. So I think that during my edit I see the complete film part by part by part by part, but I will see it for 30 times for sure. And still, it makes me laugh from time to time. So then I am behind my edit suite, just behind my desk and my laptop, and I am laughing out loud. Oh, it also happened again when I remembered and I viewed the content of today's episode, where I tried to find the the entrance of the marinas. Well, anyway, I hope you liked it. At least I did again in producing, and I hope you liked it in viewing. If you do so, please let the guys from YouTube know that you did and give me the thumbs up, because that is very important for growing the channel. And we are growing week by week by week. So, if you recently joined this channel, thank you very much for joining and for subscribing. And if you have not yet already subscribed, please do. For now, thank you very much for watching. And do I see you in the next video? Alright then, bye bye.